Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this dual colored flower. It's very easy and quick to do even by absolute beginners. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet this flower are a 2.5 mm crochet hook, scissors. These are the two cotton yarns that I'll be using to make the flower, a beaded button and a tapestry needle. So let's begin. This flower is done in 3 simple steps. First step is to crochet the small flat circles. 3 flat circles will be done in one color and the remaining 3 flat circles will be done in another color. The next step is to give a shape of a petal to these flat circles and sew them together. And the last step is to put a bead in the center part of the flower. First, make a magic circle. And into this magic circle, work 12 half double crochet. So I have done with the 12 half double crochets. Now just pull the tail of the magic circle in order to close it and slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet worked. So that completes the first round. For the second round, work one chain and going into the first stitch, work 2 half double crochet. Moving to the next, again work 2 half double crochet. So the sequence of this round is to work 2 half double crochet per stitch till the end of the round. So here I have done with the second round of the flat circle, and since that was the last round, after slip stitch I have cut the yarn and left a long tail which can be used for sewing purpose. At the end of the second round, the total number of half double crochets that I have are 24. Now in similar way, we need to work 5 more flat circles. So in total, we'll be working 6 flat circles. 3 will be done with dark pink colored yarn and 3 will be done with light pink colored yarn. So once I'm done with it, I shall get back. So here I've done the 6 flat circles. So we are done with our first step. So now let's start with our second step. We'll be giving a petal shape to these flat circles. So just put this yarn into the tapestry needle. Now we'll shape this up into form of a petal. This is a stitch where we had slip stitch. So just going behind 2 stitches, insert your needle in this way and hold it in this manner. And going into the second stitch after the slip stitch, insert your needle. Do it again. So our first petal is done. Now we'll be working with the second petal. For that, take the flat circle of next color and we need to repeat the same process. So just going 2 stitches before the slip stitch, insert your needle and pull up the yarn. Hold it in this way and going 2 stitches after the slip stitch, insert the needle and do it once again. So here we have done with the 2 petals. Now we'll be repeating the same process for the next 4 petals. Also see to that the petals of 2 different colors are placed alternately while making this arrangement. So as you can see, I have roughly stitched through all the petals. Now we will once again sew through all the petals so that they are closely bonded. So the second step is done. Now we'll be doing with our final step. We need to put this bead into the center part of the flower. Once the bead is affixed firmly to the flower, just go to the back part and tie knots. So that completes our tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.